Calculate 75% of 480. Well, 75% is 3/4. So what we're going to do is to work out 1/4, which is to say we're going to divide 480 by 4. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 80 20 times. So 1/4 is equal to 120. 3/4 then is found by multiplying the 120 by 3. 3 times 12 is 36, 3 times 120 is 360. That was nice and simple. 17% of 35. Now, what we can do first of all is work out 10%. That's very simple. 10% equals 1/10. If we divide 35 by 10, we get 3.5. I'm then going to work out 5%. Now 5% is 1/2 of 10%, so what I want to do then is to divide 3.5 by 2. So, and I'm going to write 3.5 as 3.50. 2 goes into 3 once, 1 left over. 2 goes into 150 75 times. So it's 1.75. What I need to do also is to work out 1%. Now, we know that 10% is 3.5, so 1% will be 0.35. I now have everything I need to work out 17%. So 17% is 10% plus 5% plus 2 lots of 1%. That's 3.5 plus 1.75 plus 2 lots of 0.35. And that comes to, well, let's do the calculation and see. So it's 3.5, 1.75. Now, 2 times 0.35 is 0.7. So that gives me 5. 7 and 7 is 14 and 5 is 19. Put down 9, carry 1. 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. The answer then is 5.95. Third example, 3% is 72. Well, 10% is 7.2. Dividing by 10. I'm going to divide by 10 again to give me 1%, and that's 0.72. If I want to get 3%, it's 3 lots of, 3 lots of 0.72. I'm going to multiply this number by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21. Put down 1, carry 2. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. So 3% is 2.16.